Okay, seems to be a difficult question, right? 805 level of question according to GMAT Club, right? Let's solve this question with a strategy in hand, okay? And this strategy you can use a lot on a data sufficiency, and that helps you a lot increase your accuracy. Now, and let's understand. It says that if P is product of n distinct integers, is P less than 0? Now, if we understand the strategy here, create as many cases as possible, right? Create cases, that's your key strategy on a data sufficiency. If you leave a case, it might give you some other different answer. So do not leave a case. Create as many cases as possible. That helps you get closer to the correct answer. Now, first statement, it says that n distinct consecutive integers, consecutive numbers, and their median is 4.5. Now, what can be concluded? There are n distinct integers which are consecutive, one after the other, and their median is 4.5. That means the middle two values, average must be 4.5. That means n, the number of the integers are going to be even, right? Why? Because the middle two readings, their average has to be 4.5. They are consecutive integers, and the median is given as 4.5. It is only possible when the number of the readings in that set is going to be even, right? It could be two readings are there, right? A case, there are only two readings, let's say 4 and 5. What's the average? What's the median? That is going to be 4.5. It could be the number of the readings are 4, right? Let's say 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, what's the median here? That is again 4.5, right? It could be 6 readings which are there. Let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes or no, right? That's a possibility. Again, we are getting 4 and 5 as the median. The median will be 4.5, right? 4 and 5 are the middle two values. Similarly, there could be 8 readings in that set. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no, right? Again, two middle readings. Now, it could be 10 readings. It could be 12 readings. It could be 14 readings. Yes or no? These are all the possibilities, right? If there are 10 readings, what are those readings? It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 readings. Till 4 and 5 are the middle two. If 4 and 5 are middle two, 4.5 is going to be the median. Makes sense with me? Now, let's answer the question. Let's answer if it's first case number 1. What is the product? Is product less than 0 here? No, both are positive. So the answer will be no. What about second case number 2? This one. Is the product negative? All the integers are positive. So no. What about this case? Third case, is it positive? Is it negative? No. All the product integers are positive. Product is positive. So answer is no. What about next case? The answer is still no, right? We are getting a definite no till this point. What about this case? If you have a 0, right? The product of all these integers must be 0. Yes or no, right? If it's 0, is it less than 0? Is the product less than 0? No. Why? Because it is 0. 0 is not less than. So the product of this case will not be less than 0. Why? Because it is actually 0. So our answer to this question has to be no. Similarly, had it been the negative integers also, the product of all is going to be 0. Why? Because we have a 0. 0 multiplied by anything will not get any time less than 0. It will be 0 itself, right? So our answer for any particular case would remain same, yes or right? It would always be no. So we are getting an answer to the question. A definite answer is P less than 0, no. From statement 1, that means we are getting an answer to the question. First statement alone is not sufficient. Got this point very clearly, right? Why it is no? Every possible case gives an answer of no. Therefore, this statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Let's understand now statement 2 carefully. It says that and will create cases as much as possible. As told, that's the key strategy here. Out of n distinct integers, 5 are negative. Okay, fair enough. Let's take a case 5 are negative, right? Let's say first negative, 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 and a negative. What about the other integer? Let's say that other integer, the fifth or the sixth integer, that is positive, right? So we'll have negative, negative into negative into negative 4, fifth, and let's take the last as positive integer. Okay, so this is negative, negative into negative, 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 5 negative, and 1 positive. So what will be the answer? What will be the product now? Can you tell me what will be the product of this negative into negative into negative into negative? 5 negatives and 1 positive. The product is going to be negative. Yes or no, right? If you have 5 negative integers and a positive integer, the product of this whole will be less than 0. It will be negative. That means the answer to this question is p less than 0. Yes. The p value, why? Because we have 5 negative integers and 1 positive. Now let's take case number 2. Still 5 negative integers. Okay, we'll take negative integers. Negative into negative, 5 negatives are there. Okay, negative, 4 negative, and then 1 fifth negative. What about if we take 0? Okay, let's take the sixth integer as 0. What will be the product now? The product is going to be 0 of this 0 multiplied by anything. The product is 0, makes sense. Now, if that is 0, is p less than 0? No. Now, from statement 2, we are not getting a definite yes or definite no as an answer. That means second statement alone is not sufficient. A would be your correct answer here, right? Understood it carefully, right? Understood the solution. So we have created a lot of cases. For a harder difficulty level question on the GMAT, you'll have to form a lot of cases that helps you reach the correct answer in the least amount of time, and you will eliminate the wrong answer choices. I hope you got this, understood all the points which we have discussed. If you have liked the video, please hit a like button, do share with your friends, that would help them as well, and do subscribe to the channel for the next videos for your GMAT preparation. See you in the next video.